How to block all ads on iPhone. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, simply head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and then move into Privacy and Security. Once again scroll all the way down and then move into Apple Advertising. It will land you on this page. Over here, you have to make sure that the personalized ads is toggled off. Once you have turned off this option, now go back to your previous settings page and then move into screen time. Scroll down and move into content and privacy restrictions. Head over to Apple Advertising. You have to make sure that the settings is set to don't allow. You have to enter your screen time passcode. Once you have entered, the settings will be set to don't allow. Once done, now go back to your previous page of settings. Scroll all the way down and then move into Safari. You have to make sure that the block pop-ups option is turned off. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can block all ads on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.